Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, wa madha alayhim law amanu billahi wal yawmil akhir wa anfaqu mimma razaqahumullah wa kana Allahu bihim alima. Translation: and what was the harm for them if they had believed in Allah and the last day and had spent from what Allah had provided for them, and Allah is all knowing about them. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that those people who are disbelievers, when they spend to show off, and they do not spend sincerely in the path of Allah to gain the pleasure of Allah, and their spending is with the mindset that they are spending their own wealth. However, in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a very fine gesture that they are thinking that they are spending from their wealth, but they are spending of whatever Allah has provided them, because as a fact, whatever a man has, even if it is wealth or health or children or status, everything is given by Allah. And whenever one spend anything in the path of Allah with sincerity only, then it is accepted. It is not accepted when someone is spending to show off. And if the disbeliever believe in Allah and believe in hereafter and spend in the path of Allah with sincerity, it will be much better for them, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give them whatever they spend and will give even more than that. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.